This is a friendly reminder, all of us have their own boarding.
Okay, so we are going towards the economy, right? Why? You should be excited. You are traveling in economy after a long time. So everything is fun. Take it as an experience. What do you say? So true. So वो क्या कहते हैं? मीम क्या है? बस मैं यहाँ पर नहीं बता अभी बता दो ना. You can tell me now. Ravya, please. No. Why not? So this is premium economy and we are moving towards our Hour 56 or 57? Alright. So we are here in the economy class and now I'm going to sit in my seat. I am putting my bag down.
थोड़ा सा पकड़ लो, मैं गाड़ी में खुल
Yeah.
नहीं बल्कि मैं अपना बैग यही रखूँ या क्या क्या करना है?
बैग ऊपर रखवा देंगे अभी.
अभी तो रखते
नहीं उसमें मेरी कलर
So we are in the economy finally and this will be a good experience hopefully inshallah.
I'm so
थक गई. कुछ किया नहीं है अभी इन्होंने but she is still tired. All the packing is done by me. She did not do anything except packing this almost empty bag. And it has nothing but her pencil, I think. Nothing else. And I packed each and everything, all the 3 luggage. We are taking a lot of stuff.
बारहवीं देखना साथ शुरू करेंगे.
Okay. नहीं मुझे Barbie. I'm not interested in watching Barbie, but I will check a little.
You're weird. That's all I want.
Okay, let's see how the business table looks like. It's from the front, huh? Here, there's 2 headphones are here. So after a long time, we are doing this economy class travel, which looks quite different, I must say. This is my seat 56B, and EK226 is our flight. We are going from San Francisco to Dubai. Actually, this whole cabin looks very cool. For now, it's empty, but it's going to be full. And here is the kitchen, I think. Yeah, that's the entrance and the kitchen.
kitchen and the restroom.
And
The restroom is here.
yeah, the restrooms are next to the kitchen,
Yeah.
which is convenient. I'm not sure. I don't see.
I have
No,
seen
no.
the map. There is a one restroom here.
Oh. And this is the outside scene. A lot of things are going on outside. There is well. At least we have one window. Thank God. 55A. And that is the front. There is a kitchen and that area. This is the blanket that we got. Great blanket. The fabric is good. The color combination is good as well. Let's explore it. Okay, let's go to the movies and then best of 2023. Okay, so Barbie is here, it looks like, and Barbie is here.
Barbie, John Wick.
What else? Why though? Okay, Barbie. Let's go to the best of 2023 first and then we'll see for information section. Here it tells us everything about today's flight. what is the aircraft, and outside temperature is 14 degrees centigrade. Alright, go back. Classes from other airlines.
बहुत ही मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं
I have better headphones than this at home.
Our multinational cabin crew boards they come from 17 countries and speak 18 languages.
Thank you.
If there's anything we can do to help you, please let us know. If you are celebrating Christmas, we send you warm wishes for the festive season.
What is your first impression? Initial thoughts?
थीम्स बनी हुई है ये समंदर वाली थीम
Okay.
तो लगी थी मैंने कहा चिड़ती रहो भाई हमें तो मिल जाए
So we got all the 3 different colors for our kit, and the aerospace was not very happy because we changed the color. She gave us all.
थोड़ा टेढ़ा करिए स्टाइल से पकड़े
तो मैंने उनसे कहा भी नहीं आप बुरी शक्ल बनाएं. She doesn't want to smile, so I am asking her to make bad faces.
यहाँ से टेढ़ा है
the way we get the water here in economy. In business you get plenty of water bottles, so no issue. Tabia, now can you show me the inside things? What do we get? Okay, what else? Socks, and then toothbrush, which Ravia needed. Oh, stickers. Sticker. No bookmark. Huh? Bookmark. Wow, what is this? Lip gloss or lip balm? iPad. Okay. tea with milk. And I got black coffee. Ravia, what did you get? Huh? Show me your drink. Is it hot chocolate? Is it good? What's inside?
Hot chocolate.
And
Marshmallow.
we want to share our experience today.
About
Okay.
seeing the northern lights here on the plane, and
They were so
pretty.
beautiful.
We'll insert pictures so you guys can see.
Yeah.
But they were like green.
They were
ones,
green,
and they were also
purple, blue. And can you show me?
red. Yeah, I'll show.
Ravia was able to take some pictures.
Okay, it's not showing that well,
But
we can insert them.
we can
And
insert
yeah,
them.
and they're really
But
pretty.
show other ones, the one which has purple more.
It won't show on them.
How do you know?
It won't show.
Purple. I can see purple.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like
Purple, green, all of those.
Yeah.
So it was a unique
Very
experience, which we.
I've never seen northern.
Yeah, I'm also. I think we have seen, but
I've never.
like on the plane, I'm like watching them for the first time.
कोशिशें की है इसको करने के लिए हमने अपने मुंह पे ब्लैंकेट ढांप के पिक्चर्स ले रहे हैं। आपका फोकस नहीं कर रहा और स्कूल है और ये स्पोर्ट्स सोसाइटी है, ये चमकती हुई स्पोर्ट्स सोसाइटी। वो उधर वहाँ आएगा म्यूजियम ऑफ द फ्यूचर। वो जो सारी लंबी लंबी बिल्डिंग है। अमीर बुर्ज खलीफा नज़र आ गया मुझे, बहुत दूर है।
So we are leaving. Come next to me so I can take you. Nabia, how are you feeling?
No comment.
Why though? Alhamdulillah, we have reached Dubai safely before time. Yeah. Now we are approaching the security. After that, we will continue our vlog. Okay, now we are entering the business class lounge on A. Concierge A, and this is the beautiful decoration.